Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a Visa gift card to your PayPal account step by step. Whether you're trying to shop online, send payments, or simply use your gift card more conveniently, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process in a quick and easy way. Before we start, there's one important thing you should know. A Visa gift card cannot usually be transferred directly into your PayPal balance. Instead, what you can do is connect the card to your PayPal account and use it as a payment method anywhere PayPal is accepted. Once linked, PayPal can charge the gift card whenever you make purchases or send money online. So let's go ahead and set everything up. First, open the PayPal app on your phone or visit the official PayPal website from your browser. Once you're there, sign in using the email address and password connected to your PayPal account. After logging in, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. Now, look for the Wallet section. On desktop, this is usually located near the top of the screen, while on mobile, it may appear at the bottom menu. Click on Wallet to continue. Inside the Wallet section, you'll see all your current payment methods. Look for the option that says Link a card or Link a debit or credit card. Click on that option to begin adding your Visa gift card. Next, grab your Visa gift card and carefully enter all the required information. This includes the card number, expiration date, and the CVV security code found on the back of the card. Make sure every detail is entered correctly to avoid verification problems. After entering the card information, PayPal will ask for a billing address. This is one of the most important steps in the process because many Visa gift cards need to be registered before they can work with PayPal. When entering your billing information into PayPal, make sure it matches the exact details you used while registering the card. Once everything looks correct, click the Link Card button. PayPal will now verify the information. This usually only takes a few seconds. If the verification is successful, your Visa gift card will appear inside your PayPal wallet as an available payment method. Just remember, the money on your Visa gift card won't appear in your PayPal balance, but PayPal can still use the card automatically for payments as long as it has enough funds. And that's it. You've successfully added your Visa gift card to PayPal and can now use it for online payments and purchases with ease. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple and helpful tutorials like this.